There are two numbers, A and B. 30 plus A equals to B. B plus 20 is twice as many as A. What numbers are A and B? By the time I finish reading this question, I know I need a number 9 to help me to clear my thought. Let's do this together. So I will draw the first number line to representing the A. So 30 plus A equals to B. So I'm going to add a small section here. This is representing 30, okay? And then I'm going to change the color here to blue so I'm not confused. How big is the A? A is exactly the blue over here, okay? And 30 plus A is equal to B. So that means the B will be the same length. So we use the number line to finish describing the first sentence. Now let's do the second part. B plus 20, this is 20. It's twice as many as A. How am I going to do twice as many as A? Let's go back to the graph. Okay, maybe I can figure out, okay, draw the line here. So this is the same. That means if I put them here, this is blue, this is A. Hold on, B is now with the twice as many as A. I already have one A here. Does it mean this part will be also A? That's right. Here, this is A. This is also A. So B plus 20 is twice as many as A. And also we know this part is 30. That means A is just going to be 30 plus 20 equal to 50. I solved my problem. In this question, once again, we use the number 9 to re-describe the questions, the word problems, and by the time we finish using the number line to describe, we find our solution. So next time, when you are stuck with a word problem and get very confused, try to use the number 9 to re-describe the question. The chances are when you finish using the number 9 to re-describe the question, just like what I did, you may already find the solution to yourself.